Okay, next we're going to describe what the panorama location does. So we have our photo here. Panorama, when you click it, it will open up this map here. You can see from the map that we are not in Taiwan. So what you can do is see if they have the location. So I'm going to enter in the school's name. Okay, and see, all right, and that's already popped up. So let's go ahead and do that one there. And you can go ahead and see, wow, it got pretty close already to where we were. So you can click and drag to get a better view and then roll in. So this is right about where the cars start rolling into the campus. So here, in fact, this is right about where we took that photo. So what I'm going to do for this one is click the pearl or the teardrop there and drag that down on the path. And I believe it was somewhere over here, roughly. Okay? And so now when your viewer comes in, if they open up the map, they'll be able to see where this was taken. Once you get that done, because we've already named our photo, this appears nicely. You could change it if you want to, but what we have now seems to work. Okay? All right, so from that point then, all you do is you click Save, and you're ready to go.